Welcome back. Now news from sports. Vinod Phadke has declared his panel for the 22nd July Goa Cricket Association elections. Interestingly, there are 9 omissions from the present executive committee, big losers being Secretary Prasad Phaterpekar. On the other hand, Shashikant Sardessai is Phadke's only rival for the president's post. But Sardessai has lodged a complaint in the registrar department asking to look into the so-called transparency of GCA's election and has also threatened to stay the elections. Sources say Sardessai would approach ousted managing committee members to back him in the elections.
Shashikant Sardessai cites several discrepancies in GCA's functioning during the elections procedure. Sources say Sardessai has the backing of 46 clubs.
ज्यांना ही नवी कमिटी त्या कमिटीने अनाउन्स केले ट्रान्सपरन्सी त्याच्यावर क्लिअरली त्यांनी बरवलं की आता याच्या पुढे आमची ट्रान्सपरन्सी असतली आम्ही सगळे क्लिअर करतले आम्ही आणि ज्यांना माझ्या लक्षात आलं की वेर इज ट्रान्सपरन्सी म्हणजे तुम्ही आमका 1 लाख दिले इट इज नॉट अ ग्रँट कशी तुम्ही आमका ती ब्राईब कशी दिल्या आमचं ते हे घेतलं आणि तुम्ही यूज करता ते तर तुम्ही ते यूज करता पळय दॅट इज नॉट दॅट प्रॉक्सी आणि तुम्ही जे सांगता 90 तुमच्याकडे लोक असा म्हणून तर ते प्रॉक्सी तुमच्याकडे असतात अदरवाईज आय एम गोइंग इन द कोर्ट अगेन्स्ट दिस की द होल प्रोसिजर इज इट्सेल्फ रॉंग आणि त्यांनी जर व्यवस्थित केले त्याला आम्ही ते हे करतले आणि ना जाल्यार भावी सरकार most of the members boycott करतले. Pratap Gaus has given me full support, which is all supporters. At just now, I have already submitted a letter to the Inspector General of Societies. की हे असं चाललं तर किती चाललं त्याच्यावर काहीतरी आणि हे जर झालं tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I may proceed in the court.
Phadke had promised to satisfy all managing committee members, but it looks tough to accommodate all ousted members in the GCA post-elections.
किती हा तुमच्या panel? Who is there and who is not there?
I am contesting for president post. Then Dr. Shekhar Sarkar is there. Then Chetan Desai is there. Then Akbar Mullah is there. Manohar Naik, Atul Naik, Sanjay Kanekar, then Desh Kinrekar, Amrish Naik, Sudhin Kamath, Dattaram Shedgaonkar, Suryakant Naik, Vilas Desai, and for the life member category, Mr. Prabjit Sandhu.
From your old panel, there are many players who are not there. What was the reason behind leaving them out?
We didn't leave them because they were not good or something, nothing like that. Definitely, we are going to take them either by option or as a special invitee. So we are going to take them, especially Prasad, then Vivek Pednekar, then Mr. Tari, then Pagi, Sudesh Prabhu, who is a very good worker. So we are going to take them definitely. We will accommodate them somewhere
all of them.
Yeah.
All of them who you have kept
We are
out.
going to accommodate all of them.
And are you still confident of win because everybody has withdrawn except for Shashikant Sardessai?
100%. I am going to win with at least 90% margin.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalists Omkar Falari and Sushant Pal from Porvoori and Panji.
Probably in the first of its kind case in Goa, parents have gone to court over non-selection of a sportsperson in a state team. Talented young swimmer João Estrosio missed out on the team for Junior National Championship. Hence, blaming the association, João's parents approached the court. Estrosio's lawyer, Vilas Thali, has claimed the parents wanted to highlight the injustice done to their son by seeking the help of law. Meanwhile, Secretary of Goa Swimming Association, Sudesh Nagvenkar, has dismissed the allegations against the association.
João Estrosio is one of Goa's most talented crop of young swimmers. The Karanzale-based boy has excelled in the domestic swimming competitions and looked set for national juniors competition. However, his non-selection in the team has shocked the swimmer and his parents, who filed a suit in the court.
None of the participants, one who has even been selected now at present, only one person has been selected, one young boy has been selected, did not satisfy the qualification time set up by the Federation of India, Swimming Federation of India. If that was so, the question arises why that boy is selected and why this boy is not selected. More particularly when the rules say that if none qualifies for the time set up by the Federation, then you can send 6 boys. And then we filed the suit. I'm not here to discuss the suit, etc. But let me incidentally tell you, after the suit was filed, because we came to know about selection only on 7th of July, Saturday. Sunday was 8th, 9th was Monday. On Monday we filed a suit. We pressed for the ex-party relief. The court felt that since you have come only one day before the starting of the event, I will give a notice at least to the association, both national level and state level. Notice was given. Matter was kept on 11. And on 11, the court said that now it is already started. You will not be able to reach there and participate there.
Out of Goa for a federation meeting, State Swimming Association Secretary Sudesh Nagvekar, when contacted, dismissed all allegations and any foul play in non-selection of João Estrosio. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
Wrestler cum actor Dara Singh passed away in the early hours of Thursday. Final rites were performed on the same day. The 84-year-old actor was critically ill following a cardiac arrest. The whole Bollywood is mourning. Here's a tribute to Dara Singh.
Jai Shri Ram. लेकर अपने प्रभु का नाम श्री हनुमान चले अविराम.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.